Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide chat in Donut SMP quickly and easily while you're playing. First, join the Donut SMP server and load into the game as usual. Once you're in, press the Escape key to open the Pause menu, then go to Options and click on Chat Settings. Here, you'll see different chat visibility options. To completely hide the chat, change the setting from Shown to Hidden. This will remove all messages from your screen instantly. If you still want to see important messages but reduce spam, you can choose Commands Only instead. Another quick method is pressing the F1 key, which hides your entire interface, including chat, for a clean screen. But keep in mind, this hides everything, not just chat. After adjusting the settings, go back to the game and enjoy a distraction-free experience without chat messages popping up constantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.